I'm gonna show you how to do injection molding on a very low budget. This is a Pitsco injection molder. It's used for teaching, and it is one of the smallest you can get. Now to design the mold, I did a bit of a sketching first. Then I used FreeCAD to create a toolpath and then generate the commands for the machine, the cutter. Now the material for the mold is aluminum. I can get this pre-cut from a metal supermarket. Here we're cutting the mold with a very inexpensive CNC. These are like the 3018 type, and using a 2-flute cutter to cut the aluminum. We're going at a very small depth of cut, but and I'm using oil and cleaning it up, high RPMs. In the end we get the mold. Now we're gonna be ready for injecting, putting the mold there. I'm using only half of the mold, the other is just flat. This makes everything so much easier. We turn on the machine, loading the pellets. This is low density polyethylene, LDPE. It's an easy material to work with. So we load it up in this place. Now this is a time lapse. It takes a while to melt. When it melts, it becomes transparent, and then it's ready to inject. So to inject, I line up the mold and I push this lever down pretty strongly and wait a little bit, so I'm giving it time to flow. And then the plastic fills the mold and cools down at the same time. So here I'm gonna take the part out with these pliers, and here it is. It has a little of a sprue there that we cut it, trimming there, and we got the finished part. It's a very fast process. So you can basically make lots of parts in a short time once you have the mold. So it's a lot of fun. Then you can paint them and make little politicians or anything. Thank you for watching.